Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a video in a Snake Video app. So tap on Snake Video app to open it, and then just tap on add icon in the button so you can select a video or photo you like to post. So I am going to make a video. Just select video and just tap and hold and right icon in the button. So just tap and hold, so it's maximum for 15 seconds. After finish, just tap and hold. You can add a filter, so tag sticker, enhance, 15 seconds, or you can also add the auto finish title here. So just click next and add the describe your post, add hashtag or tag your print here, and then just going to tap on share in the button. So that's how to make a video in Snake Video apps. This is basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.